What happens when Yamaha takes an already legendary two-stroke and makes it even better? You get the 2026 YZ250X, and it might just be their best enduro bike yet. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the 2026 Yamaha YZ250X. Let's get into it. Design. Starting with design, Yamaha has refined the aggressive look we've come to expect. The updated bodywork is slimmer, allowing better rider movement on technical trails. Fresh graphics give it a modern edge, while the overall ergonomics feel natural and comfortable for long rides. It's functional design done right. Performance. Now, performance, this is where the YZ250X truly delivers. The 249cc two-stroke engine provides punchy, controllable power, perfect for cross-country riding. The KYB suspension handles everything from tight single-track to high-speed desert sections with impressive composure. The chassis strikes an excellent balance between nimble handling and straight-line stability, making it confidence-inspiring across all skill levels. Features and technology. Feature-wise, Yamaha has included thoughtful updates. Electric start ensures reliable convenience. The 18-inch rear wheel with Enduro spec tires maximizes traction. The wide ratio 6-speed transmission handles varied terrain effortlessly. Improved clutch engagement and better fuel efficiency complete the package. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ250X proves two-strokes remain essential in enduro racing. It's capable, refined, and genuinely exciting. If this review helped, leave a comment with your thoughts. Hit that like button, share with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.